In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into ExpressVPN on a PC. If you're using ExpressVPN for the first time on a Windows PC or a Mac, the sign-in process can feel a little different from other apps. That's because the desktop app often uses an activation code instead of your regular account password. This is the recommended method, and it's designed to be both simple and secure. To get started, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Sign into your account using your registered email address and your account password. After that, ExpressVPN may ask you to complete a verification step using a temporary 6-digit code sent to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, return to the browser, enter it, and continue. Once you're inside your dashboard, stay on that page and look for the section related to setting up your devices or applications. In that area, you'll find your activation code. Click the copy icon next to it so the code is saved to your clipboard. It's a good idea to keep that browser tab open for a moment so you can easily refer back to it if needed. Now open the ExpressVPN app on your computer. Choose the option to sign in with an activation code, click into the empty field, paste the code, and then select Sign In. In most cases, the app will unlock right away without asking for anything else. If you don't want to use an activation code, there's also a passwordless option. Open the ExpressVPN desktop app and click Sign In. Enter your registered email address, then choose the option to have a sign-in link emailed to you. Open the new email from ExpressVPN and click the Sign In button inside. That link will send you back into the app and complete the login automatically. You can also sign in directly with your account password if you prefer. Open the app, click Sign In, choose the option to sign in with your password, then enter your email address and password and continue. After you're logged in, the final step is to connect and confirm everything is working properly. On the main screen, you'll usually see smart locations selected by default, which is optimized for speed. If you want a different country, open the location list, browse to your preferred server, and select it. Then click the large power button and wait for the app to show that it's connected. To double check that your VPN is active, open a private browser window and visit the ExpressVPN IP check page. Confirm that the IP address and location shown there match the server you selected. Once that looks correct, your setup is complete and your connection is protected.